Right now, charged particles are flowing through your television set. That's electricity. But sometimes the charged particles don't flow. They build up and they build up and they build up and they make big sparks. Whew. That's static electricity.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Bill Nye the Science Guy is brought to you by Socks. Socks stick together.
Lightning bolts and sparks happen when electricity makes air glow. Now, electricity is the flow of tiny particles called electrons. And you know about electrons because they're flowing through your television set right now. But this is static electricity. And static's from a word that means stay. So the charged electrons are staying on that big ball. And they build up a big charge. And then the charge lets go. The electron starts flowing. Isn't that wild? It's lightning! You've probably felt a static electrical charge if you've ever shuffled your feet across the carpet and touched a doorknob or somebody else. Well, here's what happens. As you rub your feet on the carpet, electrons, the tiny pieces of atoms that have electrical charge, build up on you or the carpet so that there's a static charge. Now, by rubbing this fur on this red plastic rod, I end up with electrons on the rod. It has a static electrical charge. So watch what happens when I bring it near this silver-painted ping pong ball. Look, they attract. See? They're pulled together because they have opposite charges. Now, there's an old saying, opposites attract. And it may be true for people.
Oh, Bill.
Oh, gosh. But it's certainly true for electrical charges. Now, suppose we want to make a big static electrical charge. Well, we could use something like this. This is called a Van de Graaff generator. It's named after Robert Van de Graaff. So here's what happens. Electrical charges are deposited on this rubber belt. The rubber belt turns and redeposits the electrical charges up here on this metal ball. Now, since this next part of the demonstration rocks, I'm going to put on my rocker wig of science. Yeah. Now, start the rubber belt turning. Electrical charges are being deposited on the metal ball. They're running through my arm and being deposited in me. And look, it's building up in my rocker wig of science. See, since these charges are all the same, they're not attracting. No, they're repelling. They're pushing apart. So they're pushing the hairs of my rocker. Yeah.
It shocked me. There. Oh, it does. These work pretty well. They shot. I can't. Oh no. Well, fuck you. Is that what that's like? Stack on MB. A picture.
Oh, yeah, I'm videotaping. Okay, move to the other side.
It's the
this.
Okay, wiggle it.
Oh, yeah, they did. They straight up left.